Have you ever tried to adjust the size of a plot in Shiny only to find it stubbornly fixed? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to dynamically adjust the height and width of your Shiny Plotly output based on the window size. I completely understand how annoying it can be when your plots don't resize as expected. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users face similar issues when trying to make their Shiny applications responsive. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I dynamically adjust the height and width of my Shiny Plotly output based on the current window size?" They mentioned that their current approach wasn't working. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this issue? The problem often lies in how the Plotly output is defined in the UI. We need to ensure that the output can respond to changes in the window size. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you make your Shiny applications even more responsive. To dynamically adjust the height and width of the Shiny Plotly output based on the window size, the user should first modify the UI definition. Instead of using auto for height and width, we will use a reactive approach. Next, the user should implement a reactive expression in the server function. This will allow the plot to resize based on the current window dimensions. Additionally, the user can use the session.onFlushed function to ensure that the plot resizes correctly when the window size changes. This will enhance the responsiveness of the plot. Finally, the user should test the application to ensure that the plot resizes correctly when the window is adjusted. This can be done by running the app and resizing the browser window. Did you know? The first interactive plots were created in the 1970s, long before the internet was even a thing. We've come a long way since then, and now we can make them responsive too. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user focuses on reducing the frequency of re-renders when resizing the window. They suggest adding JavaScript to the UI to manage the rendering process more efficiently. This code captures the window dimensions and only triggers a re-render after a specified delay, preventing multiple rapid updates during slow resizing. In the server function, the user sets up an observable that listens for changes in the window dimensions. When a change is detected, it triggers the rendering of the plot with updated dimensions, ensuring a smoother user experience. Finally, the user emphasizes the importance of including the HTML widgets library to utilize the onRender function, which helps manage the rendering state effectively. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your Shiny applications on different screen sizes to ensure they look great everywhere. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Your Shiny Plotly output should now dynamically adjust to the window size. Remember, testing on various devices is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our bonus pro tip on enhancing your Shiny applications.